Miriam Academy is the school that didn't exist for Charlie when Charlie was in 8th grade. I searched all of St. Louis, I searched the nation. We would have moved to find the right school for my son. It didn't exist. So I know what it's like for a parent who has a child with a learning disability to recognize what my child needs and to not have that place exist, which is why it's so beautiful that they've created Miriam Academy, because it's going to address that need that I'm sure has been in the community for decades. It was for us, and now we have the opportunity to actually build this. And that, to me, is one of the most exciting things about teaching here, is to build it from scratch, to say, okay, how do we want this high school to look? What do the kids need?
In a traditional school setting, you know, you take a child and you place them in that curriculum. At Miriam, they're taking the child and they're saying, okay, this is where they're at. We'll focus our curriculum around you. At Miriam Academy, you're going to have these small groups, and they're going to be working together. They're going to be learning together, and it's going to be a family feel.
So I have history, I have English, I have poetry, I have philosophy, I have all these different tools at my disposal to get kids excited about learning and to figure out how to reach them.
As a special education teacher, I'm going to be coming in and out of those classrooms where we're going to have the humanities teacher and the STEM teachers. So I will be moving in and out of those rooms, making sure that you were organized, you understood what you had to do for your class, you were prepared. Maybe it's a note-taking. Maybe if you're having a hard time, they're going so fast, I'm not sure I'm getting everything. We'll make sure that we'll come up with a strategy. How can we make this better? How can you become more efficient at doing these things?
My classrooms aren't quiet. There's a lot of discussion, a lot of going back and forth, a lot of questioning. I think I probably ask as many questions as I do give information. So the idea is that the children figure it out on their own. And that is what you would see in my classroom.
This will be a perfect opportunity for them to continue to grow and blossom into the person that they need to be. And then maybe be ready to go on to college or choose another career path from there, to be prepared for that.